In today's video, I'll teach you how to change name on Reddit. So first of all, open the Reddit application. You can see over here Reddit application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to change the name, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. So on Reddit, you'll not be able to change the username, but you'll be able to change the name that is being displayed to other people. That is, you'll be able to change the display name. For that, what you have to do is tap on the edit option right next to the display name that you're seeing right now. After you do that, you'll be able to edit your profile. So what you have to do is tap on the field of display name. After you do that, erase the initial display name. Now what you have to do is enter the new display name over here. After you're done, tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your display name has been changed. So that is how you change your name on Reddit. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.